Welcome back, Visionary Vicky, American English Practice. Today's story, Jack and Tom open a record store. This is contraction words practice. Today we'll be reading a story to practice contraction words. A contraction word is two words made into one smaller word. To sound like a native speaker, you'll need to get used to using contraction words. Native speakers of English use contraction words all the time. It makes a conversation easier, and it's a way to say things faster. Today's story, Jack and Tom open a record store. I'll be reading this story at normal speaking speed. You can pause the video to repeat after me or watch it a few times to practice. Story with contraction words. Using contraction words. There was a young man named Jack who couldn't wait to graduate from high school. He had big dreams and was going to make them a reality. Jack didn't have a lot of money, but he had a lot of determination. He was going to be the first person in his family to go to college. One day, Jack's best friend, Tom, came to him with an idea. "Hey, Jack, I've got a great idea. We should start our own business," said Tom. Jack wasn't sure if he could do it, but he didn't want to disappoint his friend. "I'm not sure if we can do it, Tom. We haven't got any experience," Jack replied. Tom smiled and said, "That's the beauty of it. We don't know what we're doing, but we'll figure it out." Jack thought about it and realized that Tom was right. He had nothing to lose and everything to gain. "All right, let's do it. We're going to start our own business," Jack said. They hadn't decided on what type of business to start, but they knew it had to be something unique. They both loved music and decided to start a record store. They found a small space for rent and signed a lease. They couldn't believe they were doing it. They had their own business. The first few months were tough. They hadn't made any money and were barely paying the rent. They didn't know if they could keep the business open. But they didn't give up. They worked hard and never lost hope. One day, a famous musician walked into the store. He was looking for a rare album that he couldn't find anywhere else. Jack and Tom had it in stock. The musician was so impressed with their store that he told all of his friends about it. Word spread, and soon their store became the go-to place for rare records. They had customers from all over the world. Jack and Tom were so happy that they had made it work. It's now 5 years later, and their store is thriving. They've even opened up a second location. They can't believe how far they've come. They still work hard every day, but they love it. They're living proof that with determination and hard work, you can achieve anything you want. And every day at 5 o'clock, they close up shop, sit back, and listen to some of their favorite records. They know they couldn't have done it without each other. That's all for today. You did a good job. Thank you for practicing with me. Like and subscribe to my channel so you can find me again. And check out the other stories in my channel. The links will be down below. See you soon. Bye-bye.